In this video, we will learn how recurrent neural networks predict the next word in a sequence.
Tired of your phone always suggesting the same old boring words?
Predictive text makes smart keyboards and chatbots faster and more intuitive. But RNNs don't just predict words, they understand the whole sentence.
They read sentences one word at a time, understanding the order.
Each word becomes a numerical vector, capturing its meaning. The hidden state remembers the context from previous words. Each new word updates the hidden state with new context.
They predict the next word using probabilities.
The word with the highest probability is chosen.
With feedback, they can be corrected and improve over time. They learn and adapt from input continuously. These models can even generate stories. They are shaping the future of AI communication.
Now you know how RNNs predict the next word.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.